So we're here in the ute. Let's get it. Getting it started. Here it comes. Man in the action. Man of the hour. Hey mate, how we going? Caught out. Caught out? Yeah, I know. Holiday season. So we're just heading into SCONE now. We're painting the fences today. Tyre power. We have a tyre for the lawnmower. A beautiful sunny day down here in Hunter Valley. Holiday season 24/7 year round. All good. That's right. Bill, mate, how you going? Going, paint shop. Hey boy, just coming for an early morning skewy. Paint some decos. Right here. Huh? Leaving the paint shop. Safety first. Safety first.
Hello, I'm well, thank you.
Jarrod, Boyle here, holiday season. How to put a tyre back on your lawnmower. Thank you, SCONE Tyre Power. This is not a sponsored post. Let's go. Here we have our Groundsmaster 7200. Welcome to the shed. Here we got our ratchets. Ratchet. That's all I know. I need an extension bar. Bam, look at that. Ratchet. Where is it? I'm struggling. Okay, beautiful. So when doing the nuts up, you want to do them all up evenly first. Let's scrap that plan. Okay, so see this thing? Fuck it off over there. Rattle gun. That's it. Ah, there we go. And there you have it. That's how you put a wheel back on a lawnmower. Today is nice and sunny and beautiful. Check it out.
How far is 12K? If you were out in the plains, Jarrod, how far is 12K? How far is 12K? How far is 12K?
He's one of the many horses, Dr. Doolittle. That's the name. Call me that. This is the fence we're going to be painting. Ratchet.
That's the Tininator. Look at that Darth and Bracken World Records. Jesus Christ.
Chuck scissors in there, and that will just beautifully come off like that. Stir up.